Are your videos stuck at under 500 views no matter how much effort you put in? You're doing all the right things, thumbnails, keywords, consistency, and still crickets? I get it, it's frustrating. A lot of my videos are still under 500 views. But what if I told you the problem isn't your content quality? It's your positioning. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to break out of the under 500 views trap without starting over. I've been where you are, and today I'm going to walk you through the exact shifts that changed everything for me and can change it for you too. Let's go. First, let's clear up a myth. YouTube isn't punishing you. If you're consistently getting fewer than 500 views, it means the algorithm knows who your content is for, and that group is just too small. Your videos are doing exactly what they're told to do. The problem is they're being told to show up in front of the wrong audience or no clear audience at all. Keep this in mind. YouTube is a search engine, but it is also a recommendation engine. If your videos are unclear about who they're meant for, the algorithm just shrugs and moves on. Now, you've heard this before. Just niche down. But here's the twist. Even within a niche, there's noise. If you're making general videos like how to be productive or best morning routine, well, you're competing with thousands of creators doing the exact same thing. So what should you do instead? Well, you should get ultra specific. Instead of productivity tips, try time management for full-time working moms over 40. That kind of specificity tells YouTube exactly who should see your video and makes your content more clickable. Here's what I changed that made the biggest difference for me. I stopped making content for everyone and started targeting one person, the real human being I most wanted to help. And it's people like me. When I did that, the algorithm finally had something to work with. And I've got a few videos that are now starting to gain some traction. So ask yourself this: who is my video for? What problem are they aware of right now? What are they typing into YouTube in frustration? The more you can answer those questions, the more the algorithm can serve your content to the right people. The next shift: stop thinking like a creator and start thinking like a viewer. It's hard to say, but people just don't know who you are and don't care who you are until they see what you can do for them. Your title and thumbnail need to scream. Here's what you'll get if you click this video. So a bad example might be my YouTube journey so far. A better example would be something like, I posted 30 videos and got 62 views. Here's what I'd do differently. You have to give YouTube a clear signal. When you change your content style and your niche or your viewer target, and you do that repeatedly, and I get that because I've done that on this channel trying to find my own path, the problem is YouTube then doesn't figure you out from one new video. It's going to watch for patterns over time. So if you're switching up your topic every other video, you're starting from scratch every time. Stick with a series of videos aimed at the same person with the same kinds of problems, and that's how you're going to build momentum. Now, I want you to understand that getting less than 500 views on a video is not a failure. It's just feedback. It's YouTube's way of saying, I don't know who this is for yet. And your job is to make that crystal clear to both the algorithm and the viewer. The truth is, you don't need to get the attention of 10,000 people. You just need 100 people who feel like you understand them better than anyone else on the platform. If this resonated with you and you're ready to stop guessing and start growing, hit that like button for me. It helps this video reach more creators like us. And if you want more straight talking videos about growing your channel, especially if you're not 22 anymore, make sure you're subscribed. Then watch one of these helpful videos next. I'll see you there.